Stittsville grew from a small heritage village founded in 1818 into one of Ottawa's fastest-growing communities by the end of the 2020s. As the neighborhood grows, many older homes are due for renovation. The good news is that Leaf Renovation has already completed many successful transformations right here in Stittsville. In Crossing Bridge, we renovated a 5-piece bathroom featuring a custom shower, a double white vanity with matte black faucets, and a freestanding soaking tub. In Jackson Trails, this 3-piece bathroom includes a tub and shower combo, a dark vanity, a modern mirror, and a custom tile surround. In Westwood, we completed a full 3-piece bathroom remodel with a warm oak vanity, a glass tub screen, and large gray tiles. And in Wildwood, we created a family bathroom featuring a modern wood vanity, a frameless glass shower, and mirrored medicine cabinets. Our Ottawa bathroom renovation services cover the entire process: custom design, clean demolition, professional installation, and flawless finishing. We also offer accessible bathroom solutions that combine comfort, safety, and modern trends with premium materials. Backed by 22 years of interior restoration experience, our team handles every single detail: certified bathroom waterproofing, smart lighting design, plumbing, electrical work, and high-end finishes. Stop putting it off. Book your free consultation today. Leaf Renovation. You can believe.